my channel DoonValleyGreens. How are you today? I am just awesome. Today is my release date and I am very happy. Today I am going to release a few soaps which you had seen earlier on the video this month, and here are they. This is turmeric ombre soap with cute little piping on the soap, and isn't it beautiful? And it has cured now, so you can purchase this on Etsy. I'll be mentioning all my links below in the description box. Please go ahead and check out my soaps on the Etsy shop. I am happy. I'm super happy I have an Etsy shop. Yay! So this is my next soap. This is peppermint soap. Beautiful ombre again. This month's theme was ombre, so all my soaps are ombre this month. And that cute little piping. All these are planned out for summer, so all are refreshing and mind-blowing. Trust me, I have used all of them. I have tested it and pretty happy with the results. So this is my next soap. This is oh, I forgot. So this is my next soap. This is I forgot. This is lemongrass soap. Okay, this is lemongrass soap. Again an ombre, and it has come out really beautiful. This was intentional glycerin reverse, so that you know that effect of glycerin reverse is beautiful. And this is my fourth soap, a detox bar, activated charcoal double butter bar, which will be helping you out to remove all that oil. And I am making no claims on this, but this is pretty, very pretty bar. So have a look, have a closer look, check out all the videos. So here are my 4 soaps. I'll give you a closer look. Wait. So let me give you a closer look. Aren't they pretty? Let me know in the comment section that next month which soap series you would like to see. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below and hit the bell icon. Make sure you go on my Etsy shop today and purchase these beauties.